Omega-3 packed salmon salad. Ever wondered how to make a salad that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also gives your heart a big, warm hug? We're about to dive into a delicious, heart-healthy salmon salad that's packed with omega-3 goodness. Omega-3 fatty acids are like superheroes for your heart. These essential fats are known to help lower inflammation, which is linked to heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids can also boost your good cholesterol and reduce bad cholesterol, giving your heart a powerful defense against cardiovascular issues. Since our bodies don't make omega-3s on their own, we have to get them from our diet. Salmon fish isn't just tasty, it's a nutritional powerhouse. A 3.5-ounce serving of farmed salmon provides a hefty dose of protein, essential vitamins like B12 and D, and minerals such as selenium and potassium. But what makes salmon really shine is its high omega-3 content. These fatty acids, including DHA and EPA, not only help reduce inflammation, but also support brain function. Here's how to make this delightful salmon salad. Instructions. Marinate the salmon. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Coat the salmon fillets with this marinade and let them sit for at least 15 minutes. Cook the salmon. Grill the salmon for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 12 to 15 minutes until it's perfectly flaky. Prepare the salad base. In a large bowl, combine mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, red onion, and bell pepper. Assemble the salad. Place bite-sized pieces of the cooked salmon on top of your salad. Choose your dressing. Drizzle your favorite dressing over the salad and give it a gentle toss to mix everything up. Variations. Quinoa boost. Add cooked quinoa for a more hearty meal. Cheese. Toss in some goat or feta cheese for a creamy touch. Citrus. Add orange or lime zest to the marinade for an extra zing. Dietary adjustments. Gluten-free. Skip or replace croutons with gluten-free options. Low carb. Omit croutons and add more veggies or nuts. Vegan. Substitute the salmon with marinated tofu or tempeh for a vegan version. Dairy-free. Use dairy-free dressing and skip the cheese. This salmon salad doesn't just taste great, it's also a powerhouse of nutrients that are fantastic for your heart. By incorporating omega-3 fatty acids from salmon and choosing heart-healthy dressings, you're making a delicious choice for your well-being. Try this recipe and let every bite remind you that eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Until next time, keep your plates colorful and your hearts happy. If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.